In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem points in Everyday Rewards. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is open up our Everyday Rewards app on our mobile device. Then from here, make sure in the home screen and log into your account. Now from here, I'm redeeming my points. That goes directly to Qantas points. So I'm converting every 2,000 Everyday Reward points for 1,000 Qantas points on my Qantas app. But I've got a few different ways how we can redeem. So we can do automatically saving. So we can get $10 off your next shop whenever you reach 2,000 points. Or we can bank all the points for Christmas. So get all of your money off at Christmas time, which is very helpful. So if you've got large shops, you'll be able to take a huge chunk of money off. So you can get it, yeah, basically all your money off at Christmas time, available from the 13th, 11th of that current year you're in. So this is how you redeem your points inside of Everyday Rewards. Or if you're feeling very generous, we can support a charity, so you can donate your reward dollars to a Woolworths charity partner of your choice.